What's up everybody? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm hoping to finish the cage for this MiataGoKart, the one that I haven't come up with a name for yet. And basically, that's it. So let's get started. Super random thing, but like I found the perfect cup holder for my coffee. There's a hole, and you just, right there, perfect. Look how perfect it is. All right, sorry, getting back to the car now. So now that I cut both sides of this pipe, we need to measure how to notch it. Caleb's doing it right now. We use the little pipe thingy and put it around like that. Okay, well, once we mark that, I'm gonna have to notch it and we'll weld it. So after cutting and grinding both sides, everything kind of fits. All I need to do is cut a little more of these sides, just because there's like kind of a gap.
Yeah, it's way too big to fill.
Been grinding for 10 minutes now.
I told you notching tubes takes a butt ton of work.
But yeah, so I mean, I just gotta finish making notches. I'm also really sick. Not really sick, but like, I'm sick.
Oh my gosh, I can talk. How do I look?
Cute. It's good.
That looks so dope.
It's already, yeah.
So.
I'm so proud of myself. I actually did the work. I cut it. I notched it.
It's kind of strange that
it goes down.
Pretty far down. Yeah, I feel like it should be up here more, but I mean, we can't adjust it because it bends.
No, yeah. I mean, either way, if you even do it on top, it's wider.
Right.
So
it just looks a little weird thing. So
I mean,
whatever.
You know.
That's how they designed the kit. So.
This is epic, guys.
Cool.
Alright, I'm gonna stop pretending like I watch PewDiePie too much, but you know. I want to take a moment and thank you all guys for a huge amount of support and comments and likes and constructive criticism. I don't know, I never really thought I'll get to like 8,000, and it just feels weird because like I used to make videos and I would just have fun with them, and I still do have fun with them, but now it's more responsibility. It's like more people watch me and I don't like necessarily have to please everyone, and a lot of people said be you and do what you feel like doing, but at the same time I have to be responsible, more thoughtful, more like, hey, I can't say certain things, hey, I can't do that. Like, I just really want to thank you all so much, and I'm really happy to be doing what I'm doing. I'm doing my best to be able to make as many videos as I can for you guys, but currently I'm working a lot and I don't really have time, so one video a week it is. Just want to say that not every video is going to be as exciting as I hope it could be, but you know, I'm talking too much anyway. Let's go. I also want to thank everyone who actually commented, because I just got another comment on YouTube and it's awesome. People saying that I should keep everything. Oh, Caleb's video, I need to check it out. Sir Mateo said just keep everything, everyone has their own style. This is awesome. I really like reading comments, guys, so feel free to leave any comment. I like every comment, I love every comment, I respond to as many comments as I can, and I just love engaging with people, and a lot of people are like surprised how many comments I actually reply to.
Even I'm surprised.
Boo-hoo, like YouTubers don't reply to comments. I'm not like that, I'm sorry. I love people.
Such a poopy day outside.
Yeah. Bye. No, I'm just kidding. First gear.
cool.
Thanks, boo. We're back at it with welding. It's gonna look so sick, guys. It's gonna be so cool. I'm so cool. I'm so cool. No, I'm not cool. The car is cool. I'm so excited. Papa John's.
Order the pizza.
I am.
Order the damn pizza.
Are we like getting delivered?
Yes. We have to wait 30 minutes for a pizza, but I'm hungry now. Okay.
God, I forgot it's not. Oh my God. I dropped the camera, but it's fine. Oh my God, I dropped the camera, but it's still fine. God damn it. So, the camera isn't focusing anymore because I dropped it. It's very bad. Oh wait, how do I focus it? Wait, maybe I can focus. It's so bad. So you guys, I don't know if it's recording the sound anymore really, but I hope it does. The thing is, I dropped Caleb's camera and it's not working properly anymore. I feel so bad. He doesn't know about it yet. I did tell him that I dropped it, but it's not really working. And it's cracked and it's so bad. Good news, good news, good news. I'm so excited. Okay, Caleb's working there, that's why it's loud. But good news, the camera works. I just needed to restart it. It was scary, okay? That thing went flying. It was like, it works. I'm so like relieved that it's actually working. Good. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Just drop it again.
I got really scared.
Probably won't.
It won't survive another one. It looks weird. It looks so weird.
I like it.
A lot of you guys suggested us cutting the windshield, so there you go, you know? Whoever suggested, hope you're all happy. It looks weird. I'm gonna say it looks weird. It looks strange. It looks unusual.
It's actually not as bad as I thought, looking at it now. It's not supposed to be like a super nice fitting cage, but hey, that's okay. We definitely have to do something with this front end now, because now it looks, the front end looks so freaking long.
The dab game on point, guys. Do, 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 do.
I actually think that the little bit of practice I got with the TIG welder has made me better with a MIG welder. This is so weird. It's just easier to see. I pay a little bit more attention to like what's going on, and I can see what's happening a little bit better.
Guys! Oh, wait. Guys, I'm gonna try to weld.
Okay. You don't want to do it too much.
Oh, well, I see. Okay.
Well, you
That's
shouldn't. You
cool.
shouldn't have moved because.
I did. Is
Right.
it bad?
Yeah, I mean, just because there's a certain technique you have to do when you move.
It's
That's
like
not
back
like
and
that.
forth a little bit, right?
Right. You do like little circles, and you watch pretty much the bead, the molten.
Can I try like right here one more time?
Yeah, just do a little tick. Just do a little tack.
that was awesome. Thank you, Caleb. I will.
We'll actually teach you later, but
After about half an hour, maybe less, everything fits just fine. It's not as good as the other side with the notch. I notched it okay. What are you doing?
I'm climbing over. Testing the rope.
Jared, you look so cute. Happy birthday, bro. Taylor! Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jared.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Some family.
Yeah, it's a guy who just added me on Snapchat, and that's.
You're so good to your fans, Pasha.
I just
You're
like.
so good to your fans.
I love people, bro. I mean, they are the reason I do this. I am able to do this. You know, like why would I do this
Exactly.
for like nobody? There are people who watch this, and that's awesome. What are you doing? Shouldn't have your butt, if anything. It's only been like 5 videos. This is the 5th video about this car, and it's already come so long, so far. So long. What, English? Shut up. I'm trying, okay? It's come a long way, that's my point, okay? And it's awesome. This cage is in, the car has been cut. I don't want to go through all this footage, Jared. So much. Every time I put all this footage on the timeline, it ends up being like 4 hours, and I'm like, I have to look through all this. I know there's a lot of great memes, but it takes so much
I know.
to look through all the footage
Oh,
and
it's
make the
worth it.
memes funny.
worth
Because
it.
they're not funny. The editing makes it funny. I'm actually not funny. Like, if anything, I'm super cringy. But I emphasize it and I make it. I like making fun of myself, just so people don't get to do that.
This thing looks sweet.
It's been the entire day of us working on the cage. Caleb's out there. We are putting second door bar or side bar, door bar. We're putting a bar, another fucking bar.
Pasha's going wild. He's going
I'm
crazy.
tired, guys. I'm sorry. I hate. I don't want to complain and say, hey, boohoo, I'm sick. Boohoo, I worked in the car all day. But that's what happened. I'm filming. Yeah. We did not, unfortunately. The thing is, every time I do, I'm gonna zoom in on that. It's gonna look funny. Jerry, you can join me. You can come here. Unfortunately, we did not finish the cage. However, we did a lot of work today. It might not seem like it is a lot, but it's a lot. We put the main top hoop, English. We put the main top hoop on top of the car. We welded it in. The sidebars that goes on the side, that go on the side on the top and on the bottom over there. We did those plates in. We did the side bar, the door bar. We did that bar. We put that bar. It's not a lot. It looks like it's not a lot, but this takes a lot of time, a lot of work, and half of the bars weren't notched, and notching takes a while, especially without a dedicated tool to do that. I had to do it with a grinder. The idea of a go-kart is to make it small. So far it does look small, looks real nice. And you guys are awesome. Thanks for helping me out, and thanks for dealing with my tired self. I'm just gonna say that. But yeah, I really appreciate you all guys for watching this video. Sorry it might have not been as exciting, but it'd be that way sometimes, you know? I'm super excited for the build. Every day I'm excited. I might not seem excited, but I am. What else do you say in the end of the video?
Let's try that again.
Okay,
1,
3, 2, 3. Did it work? Oh wait, wait. If we do it like without moving the camera. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Anyone wants to say anything besides subscribe, like, comment?
GoFundMe.
GoFundMe. No. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Peace out and keep moving forward.
No.
Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. Stay positive. Bye.